It's BitInvest here, back with you. And today we're going to be talking about the similarities between BitConnect and Bitcoin. I've noticed how the trends in the charts have been similar between the two of them. And right here I'll show you how. You look at the beginning, we'll take it back to the beginning of Bitcoin. You'll notice how it started at a few dollars a piece and it grew up and it crashes a few times, and yet the same thing happens with BitConnect. But I've noticed that BitConnect is more heavily dependent on Bitcoin, because whenever Bitcoin crashes around the same time, uh, BitConnect crashes as well. And I also recommend investing in BitConnect because you can make a lot of money by investing even as few as $100 a day. I'll take it back. I've invested for around, let's say, 2 months, and I've made $440 off of I think it was a four no it was a $1,100 investment, and that's around how much I've made. But I've been reinvesting into the platform, so I make more and more money every single day, and it's been helping me out a lot. This is a spreadsheet that helps me give me a good idea on how much I'm probably going to make in the future. Over here, you enter the amount you currently have invested, the average interest rate, which you can find right around here, the Bitcoin volatility software. You click this website and click this link, and you see the daily interest chart, which shows you how much the interest is in the past 5 days. Over here, I'm going to write an average of around 80 because that's how much it's been in the past few months. And then you write also the date that you're starting at and the BitConnect price. I'm going to actually put it at around, let's say it's around 290. And I'll change that. And there you go. In a few seconds, they'll all change the numbers. And as you can see, if you keep reinvesting, this is how much money you should end up with. If you keep reinvesting the $10, because you do have to put in a minimum of $10 for reinvestment, and if you keep reinvesting $10, or as it grows to 20, if you start making more and more money, $20 for example, making around $20 a year, keep investing that $20. That's how much you should have back, and then adding that up and keep reinvesting. It should keep growing your profit. So if you just put in around, I put, let's say, 1550, and I kept it in, and I didn't want to take the money out and keep it in for a good year, I would end up with 5,000, which is a really good profit. And I don't think that would I don't think the price of the BitConnect coin would make much of a difference because you're making the money based off of the interest rate that you receive, and your current reinvestments that you keep putting back into the system. For example, I like to look at when I'll be hitting certain milestones, and using this spreadsheet has helped me a lot because it's actually been true in some cases. I kept down certain dates and I would check back and see whether I'm making that much money. For example, I have a milestone of $20 per day at, let's see the date, December 17th. And I'll come back to see if that's the date I get my $20. I should start today, and even investing as little as, let's say, $100, which is the minimum you can invest. Let's give it a few seconds here. And you see how every day you could leave it at 90 cents, and even if you don't want to reinvest in 1 year, you should end up with $328. even by not even touching the website and keeping it as a passive income. BitConnect's a really good website to make a passive income, and I'll leave my referral in the link below and the spreadsheet so you can put in any of your own numbers. Thank you, and thank you for watching, and try to give this a chance and see how you go from there.